Carabiners, originally practical tools for rock climbers, have become a subtle symbol of identity within the LGBTQ+ community, particularly among lesbians. Wearing a carabiner on a belt loop can signal one's sexual orientation, with the side indicating whether someone identifies as a top, left, or bottom, right, while a central position may suggest a switch. However, not everyone adheres to this code. The connection dates back to World War II, when women adopted carabiners for practical use, later evolving into a symbol of liberation and masculinity. Popularized further in the 1970s, the carabiner code continues to be recognized by many lesbians, although some see it as outdated. While awareness has surged through platforms like TikTok, it's essential to remember that wearing a carabiner doesn't definitively indicate someone's sexual orientation, as they are also stylish and functional accessories embraced by people regardless of their identity.